Hey guys, Jaden here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make the Egg of Darkness for free. I know Egg Hunt 2021 has been canceled, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. So let me go to my avatar. By the way, you need to have the smile or the original smile like that. Like the smile. You need the smile. You need like that head. And you need the royal blood beanie. And you need to change your skin to permanently black. Because you can do head if you want to. You can do paint the head if you want to. It doesn't matter, but you need. By the way, it only works on computer and on browser, on mobile. On mobile is browser. So if this is video helpful, that would be great. How's it going? I mean, good luck guys. Bye.